This unit is a telescopic ATEX pneumatic hydraulic stacker. So what we've got here is some stainless clad forks, and the forks are adjustable in width, and we'll show you picking up this pallet here. This unit operates on air, so you plug an air line in to the left or the right of the unit, and that powers the hydraulic system which actually lifts the load. So quite simple to operate. We have a lever here, we push the lever forward, we can lower the forks, wheel into the pallet. You've got rear wheel steering here, so you can actually steer the unit into the pallet. You've got two brakes at the back, so you can put the brakes on. And then as we start to lift, you'll hear the pneumatic hydraulic pump starting to work. Let's say this is a telescopic model, so it's got quite a lift height with it. There's more lift height than that, but we go out of camera shot, so then I'll lower it back down. You can just hear the pump. It's actually got an accumulator, hydraulic accumulator in the back panel. So sometimes you hear the pump just making up those pressures on the accumulator. That's quite normal. On the way down, the unit's got a flow control valve, so it allows a maximum amount of oil through the valve. So if it's empty or fully loaded, the lowering speed is roughly about the same. If when the object you're moving is lifted, we can actually disconnect the airline. So when we disconnect the airline, the load will stay where it is. So the whole machine is hydraulically locked. So this allows you to lift a load to a certain height and then disconnect the airline and maneuver it around. It's good practice not to move loads around that are very high up. It's not bad when it's just off the floor, allows you to maneuver it to the next part of the factory. We're now looking at the back control panel. It's quite basic. So here we have e-stop. Press this down and that cancels all function of the valve. To reset, we just turn and it pops back up, and then we're able to lift, stop, push forward to lower. You see on the left hand side there the airline connected to the unit. It's quite normal to hear the pump cycling from time to time.